Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Alright, in today's video we'll be setting our wallet address, our exchange address for the claiming of Cats Airdrop. Alright, as you can see, I have only 2,000 worth of the token. I don't know if that is the amount they are going to be distributing. Distribution have not started yet. Okay, so now let's I want to use ByBit. Alright, in case you are finding it difficult to get the Cats wallet. Alright, the Cats wallet, it doesn't really matter. Just copy your Tone wallet and your Tone memo on ByBit. You are good to go. Okay, so let's see if we can. My network is bad. My network is bad. Okay, let's continue. So when you click on airdrop, you click on exchange, you click continue, then you click on ByBit. Okay, so when you click on ByBit, you click on send. You say you accept, you agree that you have the wallet. Alright, if you don't have the wallet, you create meow, I have the wallet. Then what we do is we'll come ByBit, we'll copy our Tone wallet address, we'll come to this thing, we'll paste it here, then we'll copy the memo, and then we'll come back here and paste the memo. Then let's go and copy our user ID. Let's go and copy our user ID. That's our user ID. Then just paste it here. And that's it, guys. Alright, it said I'm not eligible for the airdrop. Alright, so in case you are eligible, you can just carry on the process. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload a new video. Alright, I never actually took my time to find this airdrop. Okay, so maybe you guys would have been eligible to claim the airdrop. So carry on, guys. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.